is a very cold morning here in London today, but blue skies, sun is shining, so we are not complaining. Usually I have my protein oats for lunch, but just because it's so cold this morning, I really needed something to warm me. I would heat up and soften the apples a little bit, but I'm actually really hungry, so I've just put them on top. And as you can tell from the title of the video, it is what I eat in a day in a calorie deficit. So my calorie target in my deficit is about 1600 to 1800 calories. Now today is a rest day, so I'm going to be probably a little bit lower on the range, and then on a workout day I need a little bit of extra calories, I need the fuel, and generally I'm a lot more hungry after I exercise. I have protein oats every single day, and I have so consistently for years. It's just such a great balanced meal. You're getting healthy carbs from the oats. I also put in a little bit of chia seeds just to bump up the fiber a little bit. You're also getting fiber from whatever fruit you put in, nutrients, protein from the protein powder, and that way you can kind of switch up the flavors. You would have seen when I was choosing my protein flavor, I have a big selection. So that I don't get bored of my oats, I will just switch up the flavors every day, switch up the fruit. And then for my healthy fats, I like to add a little bit of peanut butter and yeah, a little bit of cinnamon on top as well, because that obviously goes really well on top. Finished my breakfast, I'm just about to do my dishes, and I am feeling very full. So yeah, highly recommend oats if you are in a calorie deficit. Now I need to get to the gym because I actually do work on Sundays. I do have a client this morning, and I will see you guys for my mid-morning snack. Lunchtime, and I'm having something that I've been craving for ages. So I spent Christmas in Sweden with some family, which is really lovely, and every time I go to Sweden there's three things I need to eat. Firstly, cinnamon buns, obviously. Secondly, kebab pizza, and then thirdly, as you can see, is the open prawn sandwich. So I love this. There's so many variations you can buy, like pretty much every cafe or kind of fish market in Sweden will sell this. The recipe uses sour cream, but I just chose Greek yogurt because honestly to me it tastes very similar, plus more protein. So yeah, I'm going to enjoy this. I've got my coffee as well. By the way, usually when I make this, I don't chuck on the whole like lemon slice and everything. That was just to make it look nice for YouTube. It's usually a little bit more messy presentation. You do need to use the small prawns though, just because like jumbo sized prawns, they have a little bit more of a rubbery texture, and this just needs to be really soft and small. I am going to enjoy my Americano, my food, and I'll see you guys for a snack later. One of my nutrition goals for 2025 has been eating more veg and more fiber. So what I've started doing is meal prepping some sweet potato toast. So I'll kind of slice it up, cook it, and then whenever I'm having my afternoon snack, instead of using slices of bread, I'm using slices of sweet potato. From my setup here, I have a very small kitchen, so please do not judge the microwave meals. It's really hard to get any meal prep done here, and to be honest, I feel like meal prep used to be a really good way to save money, but honestly food is so expensive these days. Sometimes it just works out cheaper, especially as someone who lives alone, to just buy ready meals. And this is usually $3.70. It was marked down to $1.63. Like there is no way I could have possibly made this any cheaper than that. And I've got all the macros counted for me. I know it tastes good. So this is gonna be my dinner. So for dessert, we are gonna have the Danone Get Pro strawberry protein yogurt. So 15 grams of protein, 88 calories for the whole pot. And then I also have some actual fresh strawberries to cut up and put on. Dinner is ready to eat. And for drink, I've got my Tango sugar-free cherry, and then dessert for later. And I'm just gonna be starting to edit this video, but let's do a little taste test, even though I've had this one before. One thing I do like about the gym kitchen microwave meals is you can see there is a lot of veg. There's like so much carrot, you've got peas in there, onion, and I think most of their microwave meals that I've had have had at least 2 serves of vegetables. If you ever go into a supermarket and you're a little bit overwhelmed with choice because there are so many microwave meals to choose from, one tip is to look at the ingredients list. If you see a bunch of words that you do not recognize, maybe avoid. If you look at the ingredients list and it's just simple ingredients like chicken breast, lists all the vegetables, maybe some spices, then you probably know, okay, it's a safe choice to take. And then my other tip is to look at the nutrition label. So if I'm in a calorie deficit, I'm trying to find a meal which is generally like under 400 calories and minimum 25 grams of protein and minimum 5 grams of fiber, because protein and fiber obviously is going to keep you fuller for longer, aid your digestion, and of course protein is super important to keep our muscles. So yeah, a couple serves of vegetables, nothing crazy on the ingredients list, and you are good to go. I am stuffing it, so let's give this a go. It's good, but it took me so long to set up my tripod that it has gone a little bit cold. So I'm gonna go microwave this again, enjoy it, and yeah, then I'm gonna finish my dessert. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more of these, please let me know in the comments, or if you have any other requests, I will see you guys later.